everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to TextMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your TextMe application. Tap on Get Started. You can either log in with email, Facebook or Google. Here I am going with email. Enter your email address. Tap on Continue. Now enter the password that you had set while creating the account. Tap on Login. And that is how you can easily log in to TextMe. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.